Hello everyone, today I am going to be doing another one of my modules now that is called Learning Activity Sheets. So this is for science, of course. So what we are going to be learning today is homogeneous and heterogeneous. Wow, that was hard. So throughout this video, I'll just say hetero for heterogeneous and then homo for homogeneous. Since I am very lazy, I don't have time wasting. See that? That was a meme. So before we get learning into the main parts, let's start with the main concept. Mixture. Substance made by mixing other substances together to make a new thing. Sometimes you won't do that because that's not how it works. Now we have types of mixtures. The types of mixtures is heterogeneous mixtures and then homogeneous mixtures. Let's get started. So heterogeneous is when a material is mixed, you can easily identify or distinguish what the materials are. So basically, if you have like some pepper plus some cornstarch, you can easily identify where the peppers are. Now we have homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures mean when you're blending, when you're mixing something, you actually mix it so well that you cannot identify or distinguish where the materials are. Like for example, we have milk and some strawberries. When you mix it in a blender, you can't see any of the milk, any of the strawberries, because it was blended so well that they mixed. So let's get started with our main part of the story. So first, let's move into solid to solid, liquid to liquid, and then solid to liquid. Basically mixing stuff, like solids, to see if they're hetero or homo. So let's get started. I'm going to get a mask in my other one since I hate the smell of the other thing, soy sauce. I hate the smell. So let's get started. We have this. Okay, so this is called Ajinomoto. I don't speak Japanese, or I don't know what language this is. And then we have cornstarch. It looks like baking soda. And yeah, now we have the plate. We just open it. We grab a spoon. Yes, a secret spoon. We take a spoonful. This may not be spoonful, but I don't want to dig in. Bam. This is how to make concrete, boys. Then we just waste some precious something. Okay, I don't know how to play this one. So this one here is cornstarch, and here's Ajinomoto. Now let's mix them. When we mix them, guys, I don't really know how to mix. I think I added too much. Yeah. So can you observe? What did you identify? That's right, everything disappeared. It's because I added too much. No, I'm just kidding. It means that this one is homogeneous because you can't really see any of the Ajinomoto because it was mixed very well with the cornstarch. So we're done. Exposed. So now we're done with that one. Now let's move on to the next one. I don't have white sugar, okay? So don't blame me. Now let's turn the tables around. Oh how the tables have turned, or how the turns the tables. So we got some pepper. They're like beads. And then some sugar. Let's grab another spoon. A spoon. Now let's start. We are just going to dig up some sugar. Yeah. This is what the peppers look like, by the way. They're basically beads. We have Zim's sugar. Oh god, it spilled a little bit. We just add in the sugar. And then waste all of them. We are broke on peppers. And then we mix. I am way too lazy to mix, so I'm just going to do this. And try to do my best in mixing. This is what they say, sweet and spicy. This is what people say, sweet and spicy, okay? Ta-da! So we're done mixing. Now you can observe what it is. There's like some black spots between the peppers. So this one was born heterogeneous. Because I couldn't mix it well because the big beans out of color. So yeah, exposed. Now let's move on to the next bit. Okay. So we are back, and you're probably wondering why do I have a mask? It's because the other one sucks. I hate the smell of the soy sauce. Now let's move into liquid to liquid. Now let's start. I'm going to do the second worst one, I guess. Now let's grab these and these. This is called oil. Now this is water. So we are going to be mixing them. I'm going to waste all of them. I'm so sorry, Mom. Why did you make me trip it? So right here, you can't really see it up close, but in my vision, it is a hetero. The reason why it's a hetero is because the oil keeps afloat on the water. It floated on top of the water. Because that's what flow means. Guys, check out my video of flow or sink. Yes, I already did it. Now we are done. Exposed. Now let's move into the worst one. I'm going to get this over with as fast as possible. Oh my god. I'm wasting my time over just this. Yo, please. I'm only going to do one drop. I hate this. I'm so sassy. Oh god, that is not one drop. That is not one drop. Hey, I made some alcohol. Do you guys like? This is a family-friendly video. So, we got our morning coffee. So, what did you guys observe? So, that's right, it mixed. It mixed so well that my nose hurts. So, this one is born homogeneous. Now, Mom, get it out. Please, I'm so sassy. Mom, please. So, now we are done with that. Now let's make a bond, which is called solid to liquid. So what we need to get is some water. And I think this is caffeine or some coffee. Am I right, Mom?
Yeah.
Coffee. So let's get another spoon. My infinite supply. Listen, I am very bored. I love the smell of coffee, even if my dad doesn't allow me to drink it. I only do a bit because I don't want to waste my mom's coffee. Now we dip wash. Yes, the beautiful smell. Now we just mix. Mom, can I drink it?
No.
I'm so sad right now. Oh my god. Wait. So what did the coffee did to the water? That's right, they mixed. So they mixed and turned into a homogeneous. Because it was mixed well. Now let's move on to the next one. My favorite smell in the world. I love coffee. Now we get another bowl. And then let's get some toy bullets. Or pellets. But for me, I just say toy pellets. Then another supply of spoons. So let's do the meme. Instead of just picking it up like that, I'll become a maniac and do a meme. You know that meme? Yeah, let's just... I suck at that meme. So we're done with mixing because my hands are tired. So what we saw here, what we identify with the blue pellets, is that it became a hetero. It was born hetero. Reason is because these things are too big and they're a qualified pure solid. So, yeah, we're done. Now let's keep this aside. Now, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!